Lesson 10, Banks and Simple Interest Part 2. We know that the bank is the government recognized institutions and we oftenly do the transactions of the money in a bank. What are the transactions? Either we deposit the money in a bank or we take a loan from the bank. So when we deposit some amount in a bank, that amount is called as the principal. And whatever we borrowed as a loan from the bank, that is also called as the principal. Means the borrowed amount or deposited amount, both amounts are called as the principal. So when we take the loan, why we take the loan? We need to buy some things like the house, car, vehicles, computer, TV. That time we need the money, and for that purpose we take the loan from the bank. When we have to pay back to the bank that loan amount, bank takes some extra money from us because bank needs some profit there. So that extra money is the profit of the bank. Same here, when we deposit the money in the bank, that time bank gives us deposit interest, because our money which is deposited in the bank is used by the bank utilize that money, and in turn it gives us some amount as interest. So we take the loan, that time we have to pay the interest to the bank, and when we deposit the money in the bank, that time bank gives us the interest. So the deposited amount or the borrowed amount is called as the principal here, and whatever we have to pay the extra money to the bank, or whatever the extra money we get from the bank in case of the deposited amount, that is called as the interest. And this principal amount is always fixed, deposited amount is fixed, and the loan amount is also fixed, and plus interest amount. So this interest is always calculated over the principal, fixed principal. Amount to be paid back is how it is calculated: principal plus the interest amount will be the total amount which we have to pay to the bank for the loan case, and principal plus interest when we deposit the amount that we get in return. So how the interest is calculated, or on what conditions it depends, that how much amount is borrowed from the bank, how much amount is deposited in the bank, or in how many years we are going to pay back to the bank, or how for how many years we deposit the amount in the bank. That time period is also important. Loan amount or deposit amount is also important, and according to the bank rules there are different interest rate. Always the interest rate is expressed in the form of the percentage. All of you know the meaning of the percent. Percent, cent means 100, per 100 rupees. So rate of the interest is for every 100 rupees for that year. Means what? 12 rupees interest in that year for every 100 rupees borrowed or deposited. Let's take one example. If I have taken the 1000 rupee loan from the bank, so in turn I have to return the 100 rupees as a interest to the bank. So total how much I have to pay to the bank? This 1000 principal plus this 100 rupee as interest. So total 1100 rupees I have to pay back to the bank. So here principal is 1000, interest is 100 rupees and amount is 1100 rupees. So in case of the deposit also, if I deposit the 1000 rupees in a bank, that time also bank will give me now the 100 rupees as the interest. So I will get 1100 rupees afterwards. Okay, so what will be the formula of the amount? Principal plus interest. So here is the formula. If we consider the rate of interest is 5% on 1000 rupees. So how to find out the interest in rupees? It is given in percentage. We have to find out in rupees. So 5% of 1000. 5% means 5 upon 100. That you have learnt already. So 1000 multiplied by 5 upon 100. After calculation we will get the 50 rupees. So 50 rupees is the interest over 1000 rupees. Here in the column we mention it for 1 year, 2 year and 3 years. Means for 1 year we have to pay the 50 rupees for 1000 rupees. So amount will be 1000 plus this 50 is 1050 rupees. After 2 years, for 1 year we should pay the 50 rupees. So for 2 years 50 plus 50 100 rupees. So amount will be 1000 plus 100 is 1100 rupee. And for 3 years now 50 plus 50 plus 50. For 1 year 50, for 3 years 150. Amount will be 1000 plus 150 is 1150. Understood it?